General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Okay, let's do the work. May week 2, Saturday. Which models hit, which missed? It was basically a whole gap and go week. Okay. Monday, that wasn't a classic profile. Tuesday was a gap and go. Wednesday was a gap and go. Thursday gapped, but then it didn't fill the gap. And then Friday was a gap and go. Classic daily profiles. Gap and go profiles. Identity, progress, discipline, patience, confidence. Discipline was good to start the week. Towards the end, got sloppy. And took more shots than needed. Case study log. Case study. Experience earned this week. Most definitely a reflection. In a minute, since I've been out of sync, it could have led to spiral. I did a good job of containing emotions. Boom. Next week, improvement focus. Get in sync before the flow. Need power of 3 charts. Not really no power of 3, just power. You remove all that stuff. Power of 3. Side of the week. And spot. Jump one side of the week. And we already know. Boom. Yeah, we already know. Spot and all the other stuff. Same thing. Looked like it was trying to go up at the end of the week too. See how it's pushing up here. It said it ain't done. No stars. Mm, yeah, just pay attention. I think last week, but mm, expansions or violent. That's a good way to describe it. Today is the 9th. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day.